Ever wondered how your Ethereum transactions are secured, ensuring no one can tamper with your hard-earned crypto? It all boils down to digitally signing your transactions with a private key, acting as your unique cryptographic fingerprint. Let's break down how this works. First, imagine a standard Ethereum transaction. It includes the recipient's address, the amount of Ether being sent, and a gas limit, which is the fee you're willing to pay for the transaction to be processed. Next, this transaction data is run through a cryptographic hashing function, transforming it into a unique, fixed-size string of characters called a hash. Think of it like a digital fingerprint of the transaction. Now comes the crucial part: using your private key. This hash is then encrypted, creating what we call a digital signature. Your private key is like a secret code only you possess. This digital signature is then attached to the original transaction data, along with your public key, which is derived from your private key but doesn't reveal it. The whole package, the transaction, the signature, and your public key, is then broadcast to the Ethereum network. Miners on the network use your public key to decrypt the digital signature and verify that it matches the hash of the transaction. This confirms that you indeed authorized the transaction and that it hasn't been altered in transit. If the signature is valid, the transaction is added to the blockchain, and the funds are successfully transferred. The signature proves your ownership and the integrity of the transaction. And that's it. Remember, keeping your private key safe is paramount, as it's the key to securing your Ethereum assets. Subscribe for more explanations on blockchain technology.